So in this Scotiabank tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to lock your debit card here on the Scotiabank application. So once Scotiabank is opened up, I want you to go to where it says banking and select your debit card account or your checking account that's associated with your debit card. So I'm just going to go ahead here where it says banking and then press on basic. Once you're here, I'm going to go ahead and actually go to where it says manage right here. So on the top right where it says manage, press on that. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and check out the account number, all this type of stuff. But basically what you want to do is just scroll down to the bottom to where it says settings and then lock or unlock. We're going to go ahead and press on this right here. Now on this screen, you can go ahead and actually lock your card by just pressing the little slide button right here. Then it'll slide. I'm not going to do that in this case, but if you lose your debit card or you misplaced it or it got stolen, whatever the case may be, this is a way to kind of protect yourself from it. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to lock your debit card here on the Scotiabank app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.